I recently found a guy on Craigslist selling a bunch of kiln-dried maple lumber in slabs about 2 hours away from me. Today's the day I'm going to pick it up with my 13-year-old. I don't own a truck or a trailer at the moment. I usually just borrow a buddy's truck if needed, but today a trailer was needed as well. Unfortunately, I don't know anyone willing to let me borrow a trailer, so I had to rent a Uhaul. It was the cheapest option I could find. So, enjoy the ride. I love small little towns like this. I was hoping I was going to be able to take all the wood, but there's no way that's happening. My garage will never fit all of this, so I'll make sure to get every big slab this guy has and then just start grabbing boards I like after that. My head is going crazy with ideas right now.
Just took out the tree.
There are spiders everywhere, and I'm not gonna lie, it's freaking me out a bit.
Other one. Oh yeah. All right, get on that, dude. Start using your brain. Don't worry about it. Just go over there.
All this, plus what's in the trailer, that's about all I'm going to be able to do. So my battery died in my GoPro loading all that stuff up. What I wasn't able to get is footage of these 2 cookies this guy had at his house. They're going to be a pain to flatten, but worth it in the end. And one of these days, I might learn how to talk right. So, I already know what some of you are going to say. Why is he spraying the wood? I've already heard that before. The wood's going to warp. Heard that too. Blah, blah, blah. So, for the people in the future watching this, I'm coming to you from the past. I'm a time traveler. And the reason I'm spraying it down is for a couple reasons. One, I was just curious to see what the grain looks like on some of the pieces. Some of them look cool. Second, and by far the most important, there were spiders all over the place. There was no way this wood was going in my garage knowing more spiders could be lurking. I don't do spiders, I don't like spiders. So I swept the wood off as best as I could with a broom and then sprayed them down. It was also super warm this day and the wood dried pretty quick. It's been a few weeks now and not one piece of wood has warped like some said it would.
Now let's slow it down.
If you would like updates on what I am currently up to, follow me on my Instagram that is at the bottom of the screen.